Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Darren Fitrani with student ID number 2021041070070. Right, right now I want to talk about human diversity and equality. First, we have topic. It's the nature of human diversity and equality. The first one is definition of human diversity. Humans are creatures, are unique, diverse, and interesting individuals. This is in terms of the characteristics inherent in humans with attitudes, behaviors, desires, mindset that are different from other individuals. In everyday life, we will find diversity of traits and characteristics of each individual we meet. This makes people interesting. We can see form of diversity in society because humans are also social creatures in which each group lives in a variety of ways. The differences can be seen from gender, race, ethnicity, religion, cultures, economic level, social status, educational level, area of residence, and so on. The second point is definition of human equality. Equality also means that humans are creatures of God that have the same level or position. This is because, in fact, God created humans and this earth equally because, in the eyes of God, all humans are the same. The only difference is the level of faith and piety. And we have another topic, it's plurality in dynamics community social. Pluralism comes from a compound word which means many kinds. We can see everyday life in pluralism in society, especially in people's life. Indonesia Indonesia is one of the largest pluralistic countries in the world. It plurality divided into horizontally and vertically. Horizontally plural society grouped by ethnicity and taste of origin of descent, regional language, customs or behavior, religion, clothing, food, and other material culture. Vertically grouped by income of economy, education, settlement, work, socio-political position. The third point is problems and social prob the third points that we want to talk about its problem and solutions of diversity and equality. Diversity is a reality at once well of the people, especially Indonesia in Indonesia. However, in reality, in society, this diversity often gives rise to social problems. Many people will consider diversity as a reason for an enmity or division within public. Van der Berge, as Van der Berge, as quoted by Ellie M. Satyadi, explains that plural society or society that parity always has the basic properties as following: occurrence of segmentation of into groups that have different cultures, different have divided social structure into institution that are non-complementary. Lack of developing consensus among community members about fellows basic social. Relatively often conflicts occur between one group and another. Relatively social integration grows above transition and interdependence within economics. Political domination by a group against other groups. Here are some um there's some example problems to diversity may be encountered in everyday life. It's ethnocentrism, stereotypes, labeling, prejudice, discrimination, scapegoating. However, despite so many possible problems faced, humans are related to the concept of diversity can be addressed with several solution preventions. And the prevention it's uh, to to minimize problems caused by negative influence of diversity. As first, we build a religious spirit. Culti- to, Second, cultivating the spirit of nationalism, fostering the spirit of pluralism, cultivating the spirit of humanism, building interreligious dialogue, establish a communication pattern for interaction and relationship configuration, interfaith, mass media, harmonization world. In fact, diversity in society is necessary handled wisely. Remember that God created man so diverse on earth to build a harmonious and cooperative relationship. And I want to storytelling about this topic. The story is there's a new student that comes from a small village. She go to school in big metropolitan town to study. The school that she came for wealthy people, but her family is so poor. Is so pure, but her family is so poor. So she feeling insecure and afraid her friends call her being liar that she is not from a wealthy family. So she said for herself, what if everybody know my real condition and what I left one? And what if I left one because I was different and so poor? But there was kind rich student help her overcome everything. So her school life is not in danger. I help her even though she is not in everybody level in that town. Thank you for everything. I'm sorry if this topic is not well done. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.